Hi viewers, welcome to Bright Your Life Academy. Today's topic is Awards and Honors for 2019. This is one of the most important topics for all the competitive exams like bank exams, RRB and some other exams. So come on friends, let's go to the video. Miss Universe for 2019 is Zozibini Tansi. She is a South African model. Miss World for 2019 is Toni Ann Singh. She is a Jamaican American singer. Nobel Peace Prize for 2019 is Abiy Ahmed. He is the PM of Ethiopia. ICC Men's Test Player of the Year and ICC ODI Player of the Year for 2019 is Virat Kohli. Icon of Golden Jubilee of IFFI Award for 2019 is Rajinikanth. He is Kollywood actor. Philip Kotler Presidential Award and Nizam Izzuddin Presidential Award for 2019 is Narendra Modi, PM of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for 2019 is K. Sivan. He is the chairperson of ISRO. Bharat Gaurav Award for 2019 is Kapil Dev, former cricket captain of India. Charlie Chaplin Award for 2019 is Steve Coogan. He is an English actor. Bharat Ratna Award for 2019 is Pranab Mukherjee. He is the former president of India. Entrepreneur of the Year for 2019 is Rohan Rajput. He is actor and also co-founder of Enfloge Technologies. Man Booker International Prize for 2019 is Joka Al-Hati. She is Omani writer. Global Asian of the Year for 2019 is Dr. Hema Divakar. She is a gynecologist. Arjuna Award Cricket for 2019 is Ravindra Jadeja. He is an Indian cricketer. Dronacharya Award for 2019 is Sanjay Bharadwaj. He is a cricket coach. India's most powerful woman in media for 2019 is Kali Puri. She is the vice chairperson of India Today Group. Udyog Ratna Award for 2019 is Anup Singh. He is an Indian actor. Quality Ratna Award for 2019 is Suresh Krishna. He is the chairman of Sundaram Fasteners Limited. Rajaram Mohan Rai Award for 2019 is Gulab Gotari. He is an Indian author. Lifetime Achievement Award for 2019 is Mark Tully. He is an author. ICC Emerging Player of the Year for 2019 is Rishabh Pant. He is an Indian cricketer. Asian Player of the Year for 2019 is Manpreet Singh. He is an Indian hockey player. ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year for 2019 is Smriti Mandhana. She is Indian cricketer. India's cleanest city for 2019 is Indore, the city in Madhya Pradesh. Abel Prize for 2019 is Karen Hullenbeck. She is an American mathematician. Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize for 2019 is Rana Das Gupta. He is British novelist. Save Water Hero Award for 2019 Mankaran Tilo. He is social activist. Raman Magsaysay Award for 2019 is Ravish Kumar. He is Indian journalist. Plastic waste management for 2019 is Assam Drubagam district. Merck Young Scientist Award for 2019 is Sakya Singha Sen. He is scientist from CSIR. Saraswati Samman Award for 2019 is Vasdev Mohi. He is actually a writer. Miss Teen International Award for 2019 goes to Ayushi Dholakia. She is Indian model and she is the first Indian to win the prize. World Games Athlete of the Year 2019 is Rani Rampal. She is an Indian hockey player. Swami Vivekananda Karma Yogi Award for 2019 goes to Jadav Payega. He is an environmentalist activist. National E-Governance Award for 2019 is Rail Madad. It is Indian Railways Complaint and Suggestion Portal. Dan David Prize for 2019 goes to Geeta Sen. She is Indian feminist scholar. M.S. Swaminathan Award for 2019 goes to V. Pravin Rao. He is the Vice Challenger of Professor of Jayashankar Telangana State Agriculture University. Hemingway Award for 2019 goes to Ruchika Tomar. She is an American writer. Veer Chakra Award for 2019 goes to Abhinandan Vardhaman. He is an Indian Air Force fighter. Guinness Award for 2019 goes to Philippos Mav Chrysostom. He is Emeritus Metropolitan of Malankara Mar Thoma Syrian Church. Miss Deaf World 2019 goes to Vidisha Baligan. She is female deaf model. 9 Dots Prize goes to Anis Zaidi. She is Indian writer. Gold Award for 2019 goes to Mahindra Automobiles, Indian Multinational Car Manufacturing Corporation. People's Choice Award for 2019 goes to Spirit of Kerala. It's actually a short film from Kerala. Young Literature Award for 2019 goes to Abhishek Sarkar. He is West Bengal writer. ESPN Comeback of the Year for 2019 goes to Saina Nehwal. She is Indian badminton player. Football Ratna Award for 2019 goes to Sunil Seshadri. He is Indian footballer. German Chemistry Prize for 2019 goes to Dr. Ankur Patwardhan. He is a scientist from Pune. Knight of the Legion of Honor for 2019 goes to A.S. Kiran Kumar. He is the chairman of Indian Space Research Organization. Danny Kaya Humanitarian Award for 2019 goes to Priyanka Chopra. She is a Bollywood actress. Pushkin Medal for 2019 goes to Meeta Naren. She is a professor of Jawaharlal Nehru University. If you like this video, share, comment and